Hey guys, it's Kelly. So today I am doing this makeup tutorial. Give it a big thumbs up if you like it and subscribe for more. And yeah, let's go with the video. So first off for primer, I'm taking the Hourglass Veil Primer and priming my face. I actually want to start with my face makeup today, so I'm going to take the Revlon Color Stay Foundation, which is an amazing foundation and it's drugstore. It's one of the best that I've come across. Now I did my brows off camera and I'm moving on to concealer. I'm taking the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I'm taking my Absolute HD Flawless Powder and I'm going to be setting my face with it. Now that I look like a ghost, moving on to eyeshadow. Taking the Chiffy Chocolate Bomb palette and I'm taking the shade Totally Fetched. And I'm putting it on my outer V. Going into the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, I'm going to be taking the shade Angelic and putting it on my lid. I'm moving into the shade Maneater and putting it through my crease. Now finally, I am taking henna and putting it on my lower lash line. For eyeliner, I'm taking the Sonia Kashuk Gel Eyeliner and lining my eyes and of course winging it out. Contour, I'm going in the Absolute Contour and Blush palette, and I'm going to be adding some blush too this one time, but I'm also going to be contouring. For highlighter, I'm going in the Huda Beauty Pink Sand Highlighter palette, and I'm going to be taking this golden shade and a bit mixed with this pink shade, but I can't pronounce the names. I'm sorry, I'm not even going to try, like, I can't. I'm going to be taking one of my favorite liquid lipsticks ever. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in the shade Catnip, and I'm going to be applying it to my lips. For setting spray, I'm taking the CoverFix Illuminating Setting Spray and setting my face with it. So that was it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it and subscribe for more. And I'll see you next time. Bye!